In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate your BuildSpace eProject account. There are two methods of registration. The first one would be the self-registration at the login page of BuildSpace eProject. Another method is upon registration by the server owner. Once the registration form has been submitted either way, the new user will receive an email on e-tender account confirmation. Open the email and click at the link provided. You will then be diverted to BuildSpace eProject login page. Then, you will automatically receive another email on e-tender login password. Click at the link embedded in the email and you will once again be diverted into BuildSpace eProject login page. Key in your email and password as per given in the email to log in.